If the DG does not start in auto mode, what should you check? Let's understand it step by step in a quick practical way. First, check whether the DG is in auto mode or not. The selector switch on the DG panel should be in auto position. If it is in manual or off mode, the DG will not auto start. Now check the battery voltage. The battery should not be weak or discharged. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. A 12-volt battery should have around 12.5 volts. Also make sure the battery terminals are not loose or carbonized. Next, check the emergency stop or e-stop button. If the e-stop is pressed, reset it first. Now check the mains failure signal. Make sure the AMF panel is receiving the mains fail signal properly. Also check that the MCCB or MCB is not tripped. And confirm that the sensing fuse is not blown. After that, check the DG control fuse. If the control fuse is blown, the DG will not auto start. Now check the fuel level. Diesel should be available. Also ensure there is no low fuel alarm. Check the coolant and engine oil levels as well. Low oil pressure or low coolant protection may prevent starting. Make sure both engine oil and coolant levels are correct. Now inspect the starter motor and relay. Check whether the starter is cranking or completely silent. Also inspect the starter relay and solenoid properly. See if any fault alarm is showing on the panel. For example, low oil pressure, high temperature, overspeed, or failed to start. Reset the fault and try again. Next, check whether the battery charger is working. Make sure the charger is on and charging output is available. Now check the timer settings. AMF timer or controller settings should not be incorrect. Also make sure the delay timer is not set too high. Finally, check the wiring. Auto start wiring should not be loose or cut. Also check all terminal tightness properly. Remember this quick practical sequence: auto mode, battery voltage, A-stop, fuse, fuel, fault alarm, starter relay, and AMF signal. An emergency generator, also known as a DG set, is one of the most important backup systems in any industry, hospital, office, data center, or commercial building. Whenever the main power supply fails, the generator automatically starts and keeps critical equipment running without interruption. A properly working emergency generator protects operations, prevents downtime, and avoids huge financial losses. In hospitals, it can save lives by powering medical equipment. In industries, it protects machines and production lines. And in offices or data centers, it keeps servers, security systems, and communication equipment active. But many times, generators fail to start during emergencies because of small issues like low battery voltage, fuel problems, faulty relays, blown fuses, wrong AMF settings, or wiring faults. That's why regular inspection, preventive maintenance, and proper troubleshooting knowledge are extremely important. If you are an electrical technician, maintenance engineer, electrician, or someone learning DG operations, understanding these practical checks can help you solve problems faster and improve system reliability. On this channel, Tech Tide Digital Lifestyle, you'll find practical videos on DG troubleshooting, electrical maintenance, AMF panels, industrial automation, electrical safety, and real-world technical solutions. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and explore our playlists for more detailed step-by-step practical learning videos. Keep learning, keep growing, and thanks for watching Tech Tide Digital Lifestyle.